Welcome back to See My Review. Today, I've got something special for all the sneakerheads and Spider-Man fans out there. We're unboxing the Jordan 1 Retro High OG Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse, also known as Next Chapter. Just look at this box, it already gives off some serious comic book vibes. Let's crack it open and check out what's inside, and wow! These are stunning. Right off the bat, you can see the classic Chicago colorway, but with a wild twist. Jordan Brand and Nike have collaborated once again with Marvel, and this second Spider-Man-themed sneaker takes inspiration straight from the Spider-Verse. From the mixed materials, premium leather, suede, and these cool panel overlays, to the animated patchwork design, these kicks are pure art, but they're not just for show. These Jordans are built for performance too. You've got that OG high-top silhouette offering great ankle support, classic air cushioning for... If you're a sneaker enthusiast or fashion lover looking for high-quality footwear and trendy apparel, unbox.com is a must-visit destination. This online store has built a reputation for offering a wide range of stylish sneakers, from classic must-haves to the latest releases. Whether you're into iconic brands or exclusive designs, OBO Sneaker ensures you get premium quality products without the hefty price tag. One of the standout features of this website is its affordable pricing. You don't have to break the bank to rock the freshest kicks. Plus, they prioritize authenticity, so you can shop with confidence knowing that every pair is crafted with top-tier materials and attention to detail. Shopping at unbox.com is a hassle-free experience thanks to their secure payment methods, ensuring that your transactions are safe and smooth. Their fast shipping means you won't have to wait long to unbox your new favorites, making it perfect for sneakerheads eager to get their hands on the latest drops. And if you ever have questions or concerns, their excellent customer service is always ready to assist, providing a seamless and satisfying shopping journey. Whether you're a collector, a casual wearer, or someone who loves staying ahead of fashion trends, unbox.com delivers on quality, affordability, and reliability. If you're looking for a go-to place for sneakers and fashion essentials, this site is definitely worth checking out. Comfort and the overall build quality is top tier. Whether you're wearing them on the street or saving them for display, these sneakers are both wearable and collectible. Thanks so much for watching. Whether you're swinging through the Spider-Verse or just stepping out in style, remember, keep your kicks fresh and your reviews honest. I'm /your name, and this was See My Review. Catch you in the next one.